Here we go. Yo-ho, yo-ho. And so what are we here today for? We're going to learn about the corn husk doll. Now I'll tell you a little bit about the story and then we can go and make one. Pull the skirts down around her. There she is. Now her name is Onasta. So we all brought our minds together and we did something really, really nice. So we want to say thank you again. Yawango is how we say thank you. Appreciate Yawango.
Who likes to see bugs? Good. All right, follow me.
So my name is Vani and I'm with the Upper Thames River Conservation Authority. And about 4 years ago, we created this wetland. Yeah, well, those are water beetles.
And now we're going to learn a little bit more about the history of where we are standing right now. So it started back a long time ago. How long ago do you think?